Technology is fundamentally changing ecological law enforcement, and machine dogs are central to this evolution. These robots overcome the limitations of traditional human monitoring by accessing remote and dangerous locations effectively. Consider their ability to continuously track noise pollution at construction sites with precision, or to swiftly detect hazardous substances like radiation and toxic gases in high-risk zones, providing crucial real-time data where human presence is challenging or unsafe. This marks a significant shift towards proactive, technology-driven environmental protection. By enhancing monitoring reach, accelerating violation detection, and improving safety for personnel, machine dogs are driving a transition towards smarter and more precise enforcement strategies. The data they collect enables more informed decisions for environmental protection. Ultimately, these robotic advancements are vital in building a digital ecological civilization and securing a sustainable future for our planet.